Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about some question related to number line. First of all, we know what is the number line, but we are already study about the number line. But today we just recall the topic. So number line integers include whole number, positive number, and negative number in a number line. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, there is a positive integers, there is positive integers, this is the negative integers, and you know very well 0 1 2 3 4, that is all the whole numbers. So now you know very well what is the number line. Number line consists whole number in positive integer, negative integer, natural numbers. And you also know in the left side we have the lower value and the right side we have the higher values. On a number line we have add a positive integer, we move to the right. If a number line we want to add a positive integer, then we move to the right hand side, and add a negative integer we move to the left hand side. Subtract a point integer we move to the left. Subtract a negative integer we move to the right. This is the 4 point जिनको हमें याद रखना है. देन फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है कि ऐड अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. जब भी आपको पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को ऐड करना है तब आपको राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ जाना है 0 से. एंड जब आपको नेगेटिव इंटीजर ऐड करना है देन यू मूव टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ जाना है. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू सब्ट्रैक्ट अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर वी मूव टू द लेफ्ट. जब आपको पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तब आपको 0 से लेफ्ट की तरफ जाना है. एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट अ नेगेटिव इंटीजर वी मूव टू द राइट साइड. और जब आपको एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तब आपको राइट साइड जाना है. एंड यू नो दैट राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड बिगिन विद right and left side begin with 0. Now this is the number line, and using the number line we find some greater or lower number. First question is mark in all the integer from -12 to +12 on the number line shown below. In this question you have want to mark -12 to +12. You know that right side hand you have positive integer and left hand side you have negative integer. So write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And the left hand side you can write -1 -2 -3 and -12. So -12 to +12, this is the number line. Next question is use the number line we above to say which is greater. अब आपको नंबर लाइन को यूज करके बताना है कौन सा ग्रेटर है, 0 और 7. 0 और this is the number line. Then you say 0 is greater than or 7 is greater than. All of you know that the 0 is a neutral number. 0 is neutral. This is have no positive, not negative. So plus 7 is there, so 7 is greater than 0. 7 is greater than 0. Next question is minus 1 or 2, which is greater? Which is greater, minus 1 or 2? So all of you know, below the 0 this is the lower, and above the 0 this is the higher. So minus 2 or 1, which is the greater? You know very well, positive 1 is always greater than minus. Positive is always greater than minus. Now all of you can do all the questions. 6 or minus 7, you know that if the negative sign it represent lowest term and the positive sign represent the greatest term. So greater is 7 is greater than minus 6. And this question 4 is 2 is greater than minus 4, 7 is greater than minus 5. Then the which is the greatest? This is the 7, this is the minus 2. So you can pause the video and solve these questions, and if you have any problem then comment. Now the third question is use the number line above to say which is smaller. Now you say which is smaller. Which is smaller means you know 0 is the lowest and minus sorry 0 is the neutral, minus is the lowest and the positive is the higher term. So 1 or 4, 1 or 4, by using number line we see which is greater, 1 or 4. So 1 or 4, you know that 1 is exist here and 4 is exist here. So 4 is the greater than uh, 1 is lower than 4. So 1 is lower than 4. जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, 0 से ऊपर जाने पर ये टर्म हायर, इनकी वैल्यू बड़ी होती जाती है, एंड 0 से माइनस की तरफ जैसे जैसे आप इंक्रीज करेंगे उनकी वैल्यू कम होती जाती है, लोवेस्ट वैल्यू होती जाती है. -1 इज ग्रेटर देन -2 एंड -2 इज ग्रेटर देन -3 एंड -3 इज ग्रेटर देन -4. इट मीन्स जितना बड़ा माइनस का डिजिट होगा वो उतना ही छोटा होगा. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 7 और 5. यू नो दैट पॉजिटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज, जितना बड़ा पॉजिटिव नंबर जो भी बड़ा होगा ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर एंड उससे छोटा ऑलवेज बी स्मॉलर. सो in 7 and 5, 5 is smaller. In -6 and 8, and you know very well minus sign denote the smaller number, so -6 is the small. -4 and -2, yeah, -4 और -2. अभी हमने आपको बताया जितना भी बड़ा डिजिट माइनस को होगा वो लोअर होगा और छोटा डिजिट माइनस का हमेशा क्या होगा, बड़ा. तो हमें फाइंड करना which is smaller. तो -4 is smaller and -2 is greater. Now you can do all the question, you can do and comment section box में आप हमें कमेंट करके भी बता सकते हैं. इनके आंसर भी दे सकते हैं. Now next question 4. Complete the statement. If one number is larger than another, it lies on number line. आपको बताना है if one number is larger than other, अगर एक नंबर दूसरे से बड़ा है then it lies on the number line, तो वो नंबर लाइन में कहाँ लाइज करेगा. दिस इज योर होमवर्क, अब आप करिएगा और कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर मुझे बताइएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स लिस्ट द नंबर फ्रॉम द हाईएस्ट टू द लोवेस्ट इन decreasing order. Decreasing order means in class 6 you have all study about increasing order and decreasing order. जैसा कि इनका नाम डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, डिक्रीज कोई चीज़ जैसे कि कम होती जानी. सो वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द बिगर नंबर. पॉजिटिव साइंस, first of all we write the positive and 3. Now there is the 3 9 7 and 3. now you know that the जितनी बड़ी वैल्यू माइनस की होगी वो उतनी ही छोटी होगी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट माइनस का 3 then minus 5. This is the decreasing order. Now we can do the same second question. 8 minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 plus 5. So we first write the positive 8 positive 5, and you know that the higher value of negative is the smaller, so minus 6, so you can write minus 2 then minus 3 then minus 6. This is the decreasing order. And the remaining two question, your homework. Now the question number 5. Which one of the following temperature are colder? Now you tell me which one of the temperature are colder. You know that below 0 cold, greater 0 hot. If we don't have 0, then lowest temperature is colder and highest temperature is higher, summer. So first question is minus 8 degree centigrade or 5 degree centigrade. Here is asking colder. Colder means the smaller value given in the question. This is the colder value, colder temperature. So 8 or 5, which is the smaller? So 5 is the small value, so 5 degree centigrade is the colder, and 8 degree centigrade may be colder, but in question you can write which of the following temperature are colder. So 5 degree centigrade is the colder. Next question is minus 7 or 2 degree. Minus 7 or 2 degree. In this question you know that the minus 7 is the lowest term and plus 2 is the greater term, so minus 7 degrees centigrade is the colder. Minus 7 degrees centigrade is the colder. Remaining two questions, 0 degree centigrade or 5 degree centigrade, minus 8 degree centigrade or minus 5 degree centigrade. These are your homework, so you can do yourself. Next question is the insert the correct symbol or between the following numbers. Example 10 is greater than 5 because 10 is the bigger than 5. So both are question you can do from your, but one I will show how can you do this. This is the number line. This is 0 1 2 3 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is the number line. So I take second question, minus 2 or minus 2 or 5. So you know that minus 2 is here and 5 is here. Then you told which symbol between minus 2 or 5 you write. You know that the minus value is always be lowest value and the positive value is the highest value. Then you make the sign between them this. Okay, and the remaining option you can do itself. So thank you for the today. Hope you will enjoy the session. You can do the all question and comment me in the comment section. If you have any problem, then message me. I will answer you. Thank you.